Now, first of all, read the question. Find the acceleration and tension in different strings. Okay. Our motto determine acceleration of each block, this one and this one, and also determine tension in each string. If G is given, for simplicity point of view, G this will equal to 10 meter per second. Otherwise, you can also take 9.8 meter per second. Okay, clear or not? If you any doubt, then you can also take here 9.8. Okay, so this one remove, simplicity. Okay, so how can do it? First of all, I know that if you consider that is a fixed point, okay, and this block, that is 1, here 2, here 3 and here 4. Okay, and question in mention, all string are massless and pulley are surface that is frictionless, and these three are massless pulley. Okay, so how can do it? First of all, clear? First of all, we have considered a fixed point like that one. I have already discussed this type of problem. Fundamental concept I have already discussed. So first of all, consider there are 3 strings, this one and this one. So how many equations are possible here? 3. Okay, if you consider that is x1 from here to here, and now this one is x2, now here that is x3, and now here we always consider movable part. x1, this one is a movable part, this one is a movable part, this one is a movable part, and this one is also movable part. That's why, clear or not? There are 4 movable parts. That's why here from fixed point to x1, from fixed point to here x2, here x3 and here x4. Clear or not? Our next target is determine length of the string. That is string number 1. What about length? Here x1 plus x3. You can say that x1 plus x3, this will equal to length L1. That is, what about L1? L1 is the string length. Okay, for this string. Okay, length of the string, this one. Now second one, length of this string is here L2. L2 is, what about distance? We have considered from here to here. This one is x1 and that is x3. So that length is x1 minus x3. So written here x1 minus x3 plus, what about this length? x4 minus x3. x4 minus x3, this will equal to L2. You can also write now x1 plus x4 minus 2x3, this will equal to L2. Okay, that is equation number 2. Now last one, what about this string length? That is L3. L3 is also written as, what about length of that portion? That is x1 and here x4. So it is written as x1 minus x4, and that length is x2 minus x4. Okay, so x1 minus x4 plus x2 minus x4, this will equal to, what about this length? That is L3. Okay, clear or not? Now next target is, that is x1 plus x3, this will equal to L1, x1 plus x4 minus 2x3, this will equal to L2. Now you can solve this one, x1 plus x2 minus 2x4, this will be equal to L3, equation number 3, equation number 2 and equation number 1. If you differentiate from 1, 2, 3 with respect to t, then we got velocity. If you again differentiate, then we got acceleration. Okay? So here a1 plus a3, this will be equal to 0. So you can say that, what about a3? a3 is minus a1. So you can say that a3 is minus a1. Okay, now if differentiate this one, then we got a1 plus a4 minus 2a3, this will be equal to 0. Why? Because this one and this one is a fixed length. That's why if you differentiate with respect to time, then we got 0. Okay. So put this value, a3 is minus a1. Then we got, what about a4? a4 is, if put this value, that is minus 3a1. So a4 is written as minus 3a1. Clear or not? And last one, if differentiate this one, then we got a1 plus a2 minus 2a4, this will be equal to 0. Then you can say that, what about a2? a2 this will be equal to, that is 2a4 minus a1. Now if we put here, then we got minus 7a1. So you can say that, what about a2? a2 is minus 7, that is minus 7a1. Clear or not? What is the relation between a1, a2, a3, a1, a4, a1? Clear or not? So first of all, make it, after that we have discussed. Now look, mass of this string, all string are 0, and also Pulley mass, that is 0, here 0. If you suppose tension in this string is T, tension on this string is T, then this here also, because of both are same string. Okay, and this one, what about mass of pulley number 4, that is 0. It means, what about tension in this string? T plus T, that is 2T. Clear or not? Same, this mass pulley is 0. So 2T and here 2T. Because of same string, so here generate 4T and here also 4T. Clear or not? Now free body diagram of 1 kg mass. If you draw free body diagram of 1 kg mass, 1 kg, here 1 into G, 1 into G, it is written as 9.8 Newton. If you consider G this is equal to 9.8, then we can here 9.8 right now. Okay. Now in this string tension 40 upward, second one, that is 2T, and third one, that is simply T. Okay. If this block moving upward direction with oscillation A1, so clear, that is free body diagram of 1 kg block. Clear or not? This one indirect contact force and that is direct contact force. If this one going on downward, upward, so you can say that 4T plus 2T plus T, 4T plus T plus 2T minus 10, 9.8, that is 9.8. That is 9.8. This is equal to mass into oscillation. oscillation is A1, so A1 simply. So you can say that is 7 T1 minus 9.8, that is A1, equation number 1. Clear or not? Very simple. Okay, clear or not? Very simple. Now next one, if you focus on that block, 2 kg block, 2 kg, indirect contact force 2G means 9.8 into 2, that is 19.6 Newton downward. What about tension in this string? Simply T. What about oscillation? It is going on. A2 is minus 7 A1. Means what do you mean? A1 is downward. So whatever minus A1 it is. If A1 is upward, then minus A1 is downward. Clear or not? So this one is going on downward with 7A oscillation. So if this one is going on downward, it means 19.6 minus T, this is equal to 2 into 7 into A1, that is 19.6 minus T, this is equal to 14 A1. What about A1? If put value here, A1, that is 7T minus 9.8. Okay, so you got 98T plus T, this is equal to 19.6 plus 14 into 9.8. So we got 99T, this is equal to, you can use calculator, then we got the answer. into 19.8, that is 137.2 plus 19.6, that is we got 156.8 divided by 99 divided by 99, then we got 156.8 divided by 99, that is 1.58. We got 1.58 Newton. That is tension. Clear or not? It is 7.2 plus 19. 196 plus 137.2. Clear? Right answer. Now next target, if this value put here, then we got A1. So A1 is 7 into 1.58 minus 9.8. Then we got 7 into 1.58 minus 9.8. Then we got 1.26. Then we got 1.26 meter per second square. So you can say that A1 is how much? 1.26 meter per second square. And what about tension? That is 1.58 Newton. Clear or not? Okay, so what about A3? We got put this value and we got A1, A3, A4, whatever be the value. Clear or not? So oscillation of 1 kg block is like that one. And if you determine what about A2? A2 is 7 into 1.226. Second block is 1.26 into 7, that is we got 8.82 meter per second square. Clear or not? Make it.